Another busy Sunday. We have to do a reset. My kitchen's a mess. My house is a mess. We have to get ready for the day ahead. But I'm actually in a dress getting myself ready because we have my niece's baby shower first. And I've mentioned that I do all the wrapping for my mom, my aunt, and us. So I have everybody's presents here that we have to load up in our car and take with us. But I'm just curious if you can very easily tell the bag. Like some of the other stuff's from us too. It's a combined effort, but can you just tell what I did? And there is another Stitch baby toy thing inside the bag too. I had to. But first things first, I'm gonna finish getting myself ready. Connor's coming in right now to start loading the presents up. I got some jewelry. I'm gonna take my makeup with me because, like my true fashion, I'm running a little behind. I will show you guys some of the shower when we get there. Then when we get home, we'll do the full-blown reset on that. Putting my husband to work. It is all so pretty. Trevor's mama went picking ditches and stuff. These are just beautiful. Had to stop for caffeine, obviously, too, but yes. Look at all these. They're beautiful, and his mom made them all. We're hiding little ducks so they could be found, and then it's got all of the food and everything. Publix and Costco. And then they found little confetti. Oh, and another hidden duck. Little baby buck. A diaper raffle full of summer stuff. There's a guess how many. A baby bingo and a gift card. There's the duck hunt and the gift card for that. How big's Mama's belly? And then the little favors are Kaylin's favorite candy and Trevor's favorite candies. Oh, they're so cute. Anywhere Maymay wants to go, we're going. That's our great niece. She's so much fun. I won 36 Rolos in a cup because I'm good at guessing that. We are home from the shower, so I'm gonna walk you around and show you everything because we haven't really been doing nothing, frankly, around the house because we've been dealing a lot with my car. I'll explain that in voiceover, but I'm just gonna show you what we're dealing with. Like over here, last night, my husband and I were playing Lorcana. Before that, like a few hours before that, Declan was also playing. Like we're just learned to play, so we've been playing a lot. So we've got cards and decks and all that everywhere. So we've kind of been leaving this alone, and then that's Mako's water towel because I hope you could hear all that because it's been his time of year to play outside right now as Declan brings out a third deck. So yes, and Weasley will sit right there as we're playing the cards. He sees these, I don't know, he's like our card playing mascot. He does this when we play board games. He'll actually sit on the board if we're playing a board game. He's weird. Declan, please let the doggy outside. Hunter wants to pee-pee. Husband loves Publix pre-popped popcorn, so we have a bag of that. Mako also wants outside. I've got some dishes right here I still have to put away. Dishes to wash from yesterday / this morning. From playing Lorcana, we were also doing it on the coffee table. So the coffee table centerpiece is over here. The kids had field day on Friday, so all the sunscreen is out. This is from packing their lunch on Friday morning. Gwen's lunchbox from Friday after school. Like I told you, we have been doing literally nothing. Those pink plates we've been using since Wednesday for Brianna's birthday. We've just been working through them. This is my stuff from when I went today. And then while we were there, we had to go run out for tape and something else. And I saw this in the Dollar Tree for like Memorial Day, and fortunately that's gonna be great. Plus the dishwasher's full, needs to be unloaded. The dryer is full, needs to be unloaded and folded. That's the wrapping paper from doing the presents for today. Like I told you, we've done literally nothing, but now it's time to kick our butts into gear. And I will not be cleaning the house in my dress. So I will be changing into Adam Sandler clothes before I get started. I'm never dressed up anymore, so I might as well. I've had this dress for 7, 8 years, maybe. I don't know. I do wear a bra with it, but I make my straps match as much as I can. I love it. It is light. I got it off Amazon. It was really cheap. I got some of the ducks in my pocket from the little duck scavenger hunt. So I'm gonna put those up there, but yeah. Not looking like Adam Sandler. I'm gonna go change. I set up the card game and I have a different cat sitting up here, but we're not gonna play just yet. We are gonna go outside and water the plants first and get all of that done. But we also will be coming back inside to play this before we do any other cleaning. So I do have my husband, myself, and Declan's sets all ready to go for when we come back inside. Out in the garden, we've been collecting these eggshells for probably about a week and a half now. So he's gonna get those into the garden. They're for calcium and a few other things, and if you gently work them into the soil, it'll get the benefits over time. But we've got meal prepped eggs like crazy out here.
Is this what you do with the eggs after making breakfast burritos?
That's these, Declan. Is all Dad's breakfast burritos.
Then what are those?
He's still fertilizing away over here with the eggshells. But there are so many yellow flowers on this. This tomato bush is doing the absolute best out of all of them. I mean, come on. Look at those. They look incredible, and there's so many of them. Little bitty baby is grown quite a bit, actually. That's Aroma. Forever by my husband's side. Here's Mako. And my happy old man.
Here.
Hunty!
Hunter!
Hi, buddy.
I got that record.
Hi, baby boy. This is my companion. Hi, baby. Hi, buddy. This is currently also a weekly thing because they're growing crazy. So he comes out here, trims them, because we're trying to just train them all upward. Hopefully they stay going that way, but he cuts off anything that's dead, anything that's excessive, so that way it'll focus more on the production area than like the base. These are like his own little personal bonsai trees, I call them, but that's just me being weird. Hunter, no. Now, all of these big bushes, they got cut yesterday. The grass got cut yesterday. Weed eat, blowing, all of that stuff got done yesterday. I just didn't pull the camera out for all that, but that's also weekly. And in Florida this time of year, it has to be. Hunter's barking because there's a bird. He thinks he's gonna catch it. His name, he earned rightfully. Declan's trying to play frisbee with plates, but yes, Hunter, he was originally Dylan, then he was Dexter briefly, but I was pregnant with Declan and Dexter were too close. So we switched his name, and we were watching a lot of Supernatural at that time. So, and they're hunters. Well, we named him Hunter, but it fits so well because he will bark at every bird, bug, anything. You name it, he hunts it. You see this one telling us what he wants? We're not turning on that hose, mister. Beanie, no. Aw, don't pout like Eeyore. The cards are adorable. If you guys like Disney, adults, your kids, anything, these things are so much fun. I didn't think I would actually like the card game, and I really do. Okay, so he just drew one.
In my location.
He inked one. He played one because it's worth only one up here at the top. And then you keep going, doing that same process. And then I'll show you once it gets a little further than that. But it's not very complicated at all. And apparently we're taking an adopt me moment on Declan's turn. But yes, I had one card, so I got to play the one ink, the flounder card. It's so cute. But this is damage, and this is how much it can hit, like you can take for hit. And these are the things that matter, because you got to climb 0 to 20 to be the winner. I'll show you. It all makes sense. It's very easy. If you guys want to learn how to play and want more details, let me know. I haven't made my own deck yet. These are all starter decks that we're using, that were made for us. You buy them that way and you can just play. Now, once we get a better grasp on all of this, we're each going to create a custom deck, and that's something else I can discuss too if you want. But with starter decks, you can literally just play. I've won, I don't even know how many times now. Connor's won with his deck. Declan's beat us with his. So it's not like any deck is better than the others. You just got to get used to playing them. Not sure why Mako's trying to play card games with us, but there's Bean. He likes to be involved. It's okay. Are you sleepy? Oh, tell us all about it.
3 4, 5, leaving you at 19, sparing a turn.
They're doing math to make sure I don't win because everything I have, I can win. So he just banished one of my really good places, which really sucks. But
well, you got something.
But he did good.
All right.
He did good. Fast forward to after dinner, we're going to do the whole closing down the kitchen thing. My husband and myself work together to do this. You see pancakes and stuff in front of you. The kids asked for breakfast for dinner, and after the whole day of running around with the baby shower and stuff, it is a fast, easy dinner. You throw out some pancakes, some eggs, some breakfast meat, some fruit, some yogurt. These kids are great, and it's so fast, and it's a very easy cleanup too with everything that we had going on. The younger two kids, they do the dishwasher now. That is their main chore. And while they're doing that, my husband and myself will run around and knock out as much other stuff as we can. So like I'm putting away the dishes that were on the counter, grabbing some stuff for the kids' lunch boxes and putting it on that back counter back there. And they're going to keep doing this whole pattern around us the whole time while we're working on this. My husband, he takes stuff out to the garage. I'm going to put the stuff back on the coffee table. The pancakes, they are perfect because now we're having these. They had them for the week ahead if they wanted them for breakfast in the mornings or like a late little snack. A lot of my kids, when they come home from school, they want like an Eggo or something weird for that little gap between after school and dinner. So I just like to keep all kinds of random things on hand because I never truly know with all 5 of them what they're going to want and when they're going to want it. Jacqueline grabbed a slice of real watermelon. My husband brought out the watermelon candies from today's party favors. Now he has real and fake watermelon. But these were just really cute. And my husband loves these little watermelon gummies too. So there you can actually see the green part on Declan's. You couldn't see the green part in his hand.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here.
And what I was saying earlier is that my husband and I typically work together and then we throw the kids in where we can. So like Declan's going to clean the stainless steel with me back there while Connor's still loading up the dishwasher. And yes, Mako will stay right there and try to lick every single dish if you let him. He is awful. But we will tag team the kitchen. Sometimes we give ourselves 15 minutes, get done what we can. Sometimes we take our time and actually hand dry all the dishes and everything like we're doing tonight. There were a few more eggs because we had them from dinner. So we had to wash the shells and get them where they can dry out properly. But that is one thing that we do like to do with all of our house chores, especially on any kind of Sunday reset or whatever day of the week it might be. We like to work together and get it knocked out because then it's much faster and we can get back to hanging out with our kids, watching whatever shows we're watching. It's just really helpful that I have him there to help me do this stuff. We're about to enter summer and my husband will be working sun up to sundown and I will not see very much of him and I will have all of the household chores completely fall to me and then the kids can help with some of them, but I will make sure to get them done while he's working. That way we have extra time together. I love summer for the time that we get with the kids, but I don't like summer for the fact that we don't get a whole lot of time with my husband. So what little time we get, we do like to make it count as a family. Now, me with my car being broken for the last week and a half, I think it's 2 weeks now by the time I'm voice overing this to get it edited for you guys. It has just been awful. I don't like not having my car. Oh, and Mako, he's eating watermelon again. Just like last summer, if you saw, he will literally sit there and gum on it and take little bites. It is the cutest thing. But my car is still broken. One part arrived today. The other part is still on the way. My husband's going to fix it one night during the week. Hopefully the other part arrives maybe on Sunday. He'll get to fix it. But I've been going stir crazy and thinking about summer stuff already. I watched a few of my old summer recipe videos, getting, ready for all of that and making my plans for what I'm going to do with the kids. And I've already planned out that last week of school, some fun stuff to do. I've already got teacher appreciation stuff already worked out in my head. I've been home, so I haven't really been able to run errands. I ran errands yesterday. My mom took me out to get out of the house and to go do what I needed to do. And then this morning, she took me to go do a little more grocery shopping. Otherwise, I've been home going stir crazy. So I've already got summer Completely planned. Now, if you're new and you don't know, Mako loves the mop. I don't know what he was doing, but he didn't realize that my husband had started mopping. So Connor was all like, oh yeah, I'm going to get to mop. Mako's not going to show up. No, my husband got just that front half of this hallway, came and put more water on it. Mako heard it and was instantly right there like, oh wait, did I miss something? And then stayed with my husband the entire time. And then Connor went to go do the dining room area. He fed Mako and filled his bowl. Mako ate his dinner, scarfed it down in 2 seconds flat, and was right back there to get the mop. Like, he thought he had won. He thought, okay, I'm going to feed this dog. He won't chase me around. He'll let me mop in peace. Mako had whole other plans. If you see back there behind the table, his little tail is back there. He's eating, and he scarfs it down and then jumps right back onto it. This dog is a riot. He is everywhere, all over my videos, but I am still so grateful for him, because even if you're having like the worst day, he will come up and he will get your attention, and it's just, he makes it all so much better. He is the center of attention. He is a ham, but I love having him in our home.
You'll be the death of me, still your medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah.
Having the baby shower today kind of threw us off schedule for a full reset like we like to get done on Sundays, but I did plan ahead for that. Like the kids' uniforms, I washed those late Friday afternoon, so their uniforms are already ready for the week ahead. I put the stuff out, the flowers are kind of blocking it, but like lunch boxes, water bottles, all that is over there. So that's ready to go. We shouldn't have any issues. I restocked juice and Uncrustables in this side so I don't have to go outside every morning. That's done, ready for lunches. We cleaned all the leftovers out of the refrigerator and anything bad. We usually wait until Monday night to do that, but the trash bags had extra space, so my husband just went ahead and did it. But we typically do that on Monday nights and Thursday nights because trash Tuesday, Friday. So that's typically when we clean out the fridge. So that was a little weird for today, but it got done anyways. The stainless and the floors, when those two are done, I want to light a candle and it's like, leave this space alone. The house is perfectly clean. That's just one of my things. But those two being done already has me feeling so good. Mako is exhausted. You see him laying down over there. He had a great time chasing that. He did not get his bath today. That is usually an every Sunday thing, and his skin has still been acting up. Usually the fall and the winter are worse, but spring right now, he still hasn't fully recovered, and I'm not really sure why. So he's still weekly baths, and that's typically Sunday. We did miss that, as well as I do not have a grocery order today because of the baby shower. We didn't have time this morning to run to the grocery store, and I didn't want to set a delivery and not know exactly when I was going to get back this afternoon. I didn't want to risk any of that. So I'll be handling groceries tomorrow, but I don't even need a whole lot because we're still trying to work through everything we have in the house and in the freezers out in the garage. So I don't really need a huge grocery order, so you're not missing a lot there either. So other than refilling my coffee cup and taking my butt in my room, we are finishing The Pit. I love it. I'm obsessed with that show, and we have the season finale. So I am very eager to get in there with my husband and go watch that. Thank you guys so much for being here. As always, I appreciate you more than you know. If you're new and you enjoyed it, I really hope you subscribe. Thumbs up the video if you want more like this one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.